Alrighty everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've seen the title and I want to assure you that it's not clickbait. The cheapest way to buy your groceries is to only buy them once. So backstory on this, not too long ago, I don't know if it was my toddler or a friend's toddler, but they both got into the fridge and one of them turned the temperature down or up, warmer, however you want to look at it, and we ended up having to throw away a bunch of food.
Oh my God. I am never going to financially recover from this.
So, like I said, the cheapest way to buy groceries is to only buy them once. So we're going to remedy this problem with toddlers getting in the fridge. I do have a child lock on the side of my fridge, but if somebody forgets to latch it, then that leaves the fridge open for a toddler to get inside. So we're going to 3D print something to lock the adjustment knob to where toddlers can't mess with it. Then the worst thing that could happen, I guess, is they leave the door open or something. The reason the temperature knob was a problem was nobody noticed it for 18 hours or so. So the fridge got warm, food went bad, we had to throw a bunch out. So I'm going to show you how I fixed that problem. All right, first thing we're going to do is take some measurements and make some notes. I always like to scribble my measurements with a crude little drawing on a piece of paper so I can reference it when I'm on the computer. Part came out a little bit warped. You can see right there on the edge, just because I used ASA instead of something like PLA or whatever. But I did a little test fit. Fits good. So we're going to put some of this double-sided tape on the tabs here and then go ahead and put it in the fridge, and that should keep my kid from messing with it, hopefully. Alright, got some double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to go ahead and put that out of reach of my child. That's how you lock the temperature in your fridge.
This pleases me.